Here we are viewing a beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka, which is unknown to the attractions. And this is called Hunas Falls. And I am just below it, viewing the beautiful water splashes coming down. There are several other waterfalls here, not only Hunas Falls, several others with the locals. The locals, only few people know about it. The beautiful waterfalls again. The water splashing over my head. And I'm just a viewer. And here, just below me, the water flows down to the gushing stream. And here's a beautiful spot to bathe. All in Hunas Falls, Kandy, Sri Lanka.